get contract in Fix It Up Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device and go to Fix It Up game. In here, search for Spare Parts Shop. After you've searched for Spare Parts Shop, go inside the Spare Parts Shop. In here, simply search for contract. Also, to have contract, you need to be eligible. I am not eligible, so there is no option for contract. But if you're eligible, you'll find contract option. In here, you can simply click on it and you'll get contract. This is how to get contract in Fix It Up Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.